Rightio then guys, hello there, welcome back to a new video. Now, I starting the video in the car today because the weather is just shocking outside. It's so bloody windy and so cold, it's unbelievable. But yeah, we're back in the Audi because obviously, like I said, I was going to make a follow-on video from the last video talking about obviously selling the Audi and stuff like that, and talking about my options that I was considering. So without further ado, let's jump to it. But before we go anywhere, obviously we are going to do a, a cold start. Why are we going to do a cold start? Well, the Audi got back from paint on Wednesday and it hasn't moved since. I've even been given a little pot of the leftover paint just to fill in a couple of touch-up areas, which obviously we'll do before selling the car. And yeah, it hasn't moved since Wednesday. Today's now Sunday, and it don't like starting again, so... Oh, it's started right up, and the engine management light went out. When I picked it up Wednesday, the engine management light was on. Oh, shit. Yeah, Bose sound system in this, I flipping love it, it's mad. Yeah, the engine management light was on when I picked it up Wednesday because that flipping G450 exhaust pressure sensor, it's the only reason it pops on, but it pops on and goes off as it pleases, so there's no actual issue with it. And it seems to be running alright at the moment. Yeah, she's running fine. No misfires today, I can tell you that much. Right, I'm going to prop the phone mount up and we'll crack to it. Right, that's the phone recording. That is the dash cam on, but sitting wonky. There we go. Right. So, the Audi. The Audi. It's still more than likely going up for flipping out. I haven't driven this for ages. I've literally been caning the bloody Yaris constantly for like the past week. The only time I've driven this is to take it to and from the bloody paint shop. But yeah, back to this. The Audi, it's more than likely going up for sale, like I keep saying. And at the start of the year, I was obviously looking into different options as to what I may want to get rid of the Audi and get in replacement. I was looking at quite a few options. So before we go through everything to do with why I haven't selected any of my options, I'm just going to quickly run down what my options are. Bloody hell, my phone mount is being proper shaky today. So the first option that I was going to go for is a BMW 320d M Sport E92, is it? Or an E90? I can't remember the generations. But the 2008, 2009 320d M Sport. I'll put a picture up on screen of what I mean. So I'll quickly pause the video because my other software's gone up the chute, so I can't overlay pictures anymore. Brilliant. But yeah, pause the video, here it is. So yeah, that's the first option. A BMW 320d M Sport. The second option was a BMW 120d M Sport, picture here. And the third option is a an Audi A3 S-Line, same generation as this, A4, sort of like 2007, 2008, that sort of generation, picture here. And the last option was a Seat Leon Mark II FR 2-litre diesel. All of these cars, by the way, would have been the diesels. The A3 would have been the 2-litre S-Line diesel, which is the same engine as this. The FR Leon will be the same engine as this as well. I'll put a picture up now quickly. So yeah, they're the options, 4 options, and yeah, we're going to keep this again related to insurance, just to show you how much of a piss take insurance is in the UK. So at the moment, to insure the Audi, just the Audi on its own, obviously, like I said, breaking down the balls, what was it? Yeah, breaking down my policy, because obviously you get the split of the two cars. The Audi cost me around about £1,300 a year to insure, which isn't too bad. Believe it or not, like I said in my last video, that is housed as cheap. So yeah, the Audi on its own cost me about £1,300 to insure for the year. Now, the BMW 320d M Sport, my insurance company wanted that £1,300 plus £1,024 on top of what I pay for this Audi already. So to insure just the BMW alone it's going to cost me about £2,400 just to insure the BMW. That's disincluding the Yaris, that's just the BMW. So that idea is wiped right out the window right away. Yeah, that is a ridiculous amount of money. So maybe as an alternative I might look at a 318D or something like that, I don't know. I'll figure something out. But yeah, £1,024 more than what they want for this Audi A4. Now the second car, the 120D M Sport, that wasn't too bad. It's still more, but that wasn't too bad. They wanted £333 more on top of this A4. So this A4 amount, which is obviously, like I said, about £1,300 plus £333 more. So we're probably looking at £1,700 for the year just to insure the 120D. So again, like I said, that ain't too bad, but I've still got to factor in the cost as well of the Yaris on top of that, which, like I said, is an extra like 700 and change pound. Cool, this climate control's working wonders today. Yeah, so again, bloody extortionate. The third option, which is actually the cheapest option at the moment, but again is still more than this, is the Audi A3 S-Line 2 litre diesel. For that, they only want £233 more than this. So that one I might consider, but I'm not too sure. I sort of want to move away from Audi just for a little bit because, you know, I've got one at the moment. So I want to move away from Audi and try something different, but I still might consider it. I'm not too sure. So yeah, £233 more on top of this, that'll be about £1,500 just to insure the A3. Oh shoot, I'm speeding in an average speed check, didn't even realise. So yeah, that's that. And the last one obviously is the my brain, I'm telling you, my brain ain't working today. I was up having a mad Xbox session till like 4:30 this morning, and now it's 11:30. No, that can't be right. Is it 11:30? Really? That can't be right. Is it 11:30 or 12:30? The clock's gone back or forward or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, it's about 11:30 or 12:30. I don't know at the moment. And yeah, I was on a mad Xbox session till like 4:30 this morning with some of the lads. So I'm a little knackered. But yeah, the last one, the beautiful Leon FR. That wasn't too bad either. That was only £233 more. Like I said, the Audi, the A3 was 223. The FR Leon is £233 more. Again, that's still the 2 litre diesel, so it's the same engine as the A3, same engine as this A4. And yeah, so that again, I might even consider that. But again, I don't really want to be paying more on insurance than I really should be. Fucking go. I need to give this a good old blast. I hate people that drive slow on a Sunday. Punch that clutch and rip it into fourth. Move, Freelander. Please move. Please move. You're not going to move, are you, you grumpy old man? Yeah. What was it I was saying? I got rudely interrupted by some ugly ass Freelander. yeah, so I may highly possibly consider. You're not gonna fucking move. For Bill, bye. Yeah, may consider the FR. I do apologise for that. My brain is absolutely kerfuzzled today. Oh, green light, going straight through all the traffic. Whoop, 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 whoop. Fulfill. Yeah, FR. So, yeah, they're my two options. Fucking hell, I'm totally screwing this video up today. Yeah, they're my two options now, really, is the A3 and the FR. And to be fair, I don't really want either of them. I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know. I don't know what else really to go for. Skoda Octavia VRS maybe. Mercedes C-Class? Do I go for a Merc? I don't know. Or like I said in the insurance video, well, no, not insurance video, the video about selling this car, or raffling it off rather, might even go for a Lexus IS220D. I've wanted one for a few years, not gonna lie. I think they're awesome looking cars. But for those of you that don't know what I'm on about, picture now. So yeah, might even go for one of those, proper like grandpa wagon. But they look cool and they're really comfy and really gutsy as well. So yeah, they're my options, and other than that, I don't really know what else to really have. I really don't. Anyone got any ideas? If you've got any ideas on what you want to see on the channel, leave them down below. Ideally, I do want a bigger car. Like bigger car as in sort of like A4 size, Mercedes C-Class size, maybe an A3 size. So, you know, I want a bigger car still, just mainly for practicality purposes. But yeah, so they're my sort of options at the moment. I just want something comfortable that I can just use every day, just waft about in. Preferably diesel as well for when I do longer trips and stuff like that. Yeah. So, I don't know, is there anything else I can consider? I don't know. What are petrol BMWs like? I don't know much about petrol BMWs. If you guys know anything about BMWs, what are petrols like? I don't know, 318i, 320i, 325i, something like that. 316i maybe. I know that's absolute POV spec, but you never know. Or, you know, do I go old school and go for an old E46 and have a bit of a skid car? Possibilities. I don't know. If I was to get a skid car that's also a family wagon, I'd probably go for an IS200. But I've ran insurance quotes on them before, and they are ridiculous money. They're even more expensive to insure than this Audi. Saying that they're an older car though. But yeah, let me know some sort of suggestions down below as to what I could maybe look into having. Again, like I said, my budget will probably be about 1,700 quid, 2 grand, something like that. So it's got to be something affordable. Got to be something cheap on insurance. IS200 in there. Huh, how ironic. Yeah, got to be cheap-ish on insurance. I don't really want to be paying much more than 1,300 quid a year on insurance, really, for one car. But yeah, let me know, guys. I'm open for any options, really. Why on earth have I came to Sheerness? Out of all the places I could have driven to today, I've came to Trampville. Fucking Trampville. Apologies for anyone from Sheerness that's watching this video, but I don't like Sheerness. Okay, we'll just drive through and carry on to Minster probably. Yeah, so yeah, let me know. I'd love to see what you guys think I should get as the next car. Like I said, there's many options that I could possibly consider. I don't want no shitty Vauxhall. I don't want no shitty Ford. I'm sorry, but I don't. Number one, insurance will absolutely butt fuck me on them. because they're common cars, and I ain't about that cheap life. I'm not about that at all, says the one that has a Yaris. But that's a track toy, so that's an exception. Yeah, no, I don't want no Ford, don't want no Vauxhall. A VW? I don't know. I don't really like VWs. I don't like the look of them, a lot of them. But I don't know. Do I try a VW at the least? Like I said, like I want to sort of get into car tradery sort of stuff. So do I try one for a little bit and then chop and change again? I don't know. GTI. They actually do look sexy. Mark 5 GTIs look good. Yeah. If I do go for a Golf, like I said, I just saw a GTI back there. I probably won't be able to afford one, but what are they like fuel economy wise and running costs and stuff? I don't know. Let me know down below as well. Yeah, I'm pretty much just rambling on now. I'm going to carry on driving through this monstrosity of a place. I'm going to get on some open roads, enjoy the Audi a bit because it hasn't been driven for a while, and head home. But I'm going to leave you guys here. So I do apologise, it was a bit of a rambly video. I do apologise, my head is not in the right place. I am fucking knackered because of my hardcore gaming sesh, eating an Easter egg as well, and drinking like 700 cans of Pepsi Max. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys here. I really am rambling on and making the video totally irrelevant now. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to slap a like on it like normal. Comment down below if you have any other suggestions as cars that I could look into. Like I said, I do want a bigger car for practicality reasons and stuff. Yeah, most important thing is to subscribe if you are new around here. And yeah, so that's it guys. Like, comment, subscribe, stay safe out there. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna head home, probably nap, because I am I'm knackered. I've got bags under my eyes the size of flipping Primark bags, so you know, yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, peace.